YouFeelJimmy? We are here at Busan Hyundai 미술관. My friend and I will go inside and we're just gonna have a little chit chat about this art. And I will show you all the, various great art pieces. Just make sure to enjoy what we're gonna do together inside and look forward to it. So let's go. Now we just entered in Busan Biennale 2020 and there are definitely cool art pieces. Check it out.
저희가 지금 10장의 이야기와 5편의 시 An exhibition in 10 chapters and 5 poems 관람하고 있는데 현재 2층으로 올라가고 있습니다. 근데 괜찮은 것 같아요. 지금까지 제일 좋았던 거는 소금의 방.
부산 비엔날레 2020 전시를 다 끝마치고 이렇게 나왔습니다. 조금 난해한 부분도 있는 것 같고 또 재밌었던 부분이 있는데 지하 1층부터 2층까지 잘 구성이 되어 있어서 아마 시간이 좀 되시는 분들은 꼭 한번 와서 가족과 연인과 친구와 관람을 해보셔도 되게 좋을 것 같아요. 강서구로 이동해 보겠습니다, 여러분. 강서구에는 정말 맛있는 갈매조개가 있어요. 저희가 먹으러 가볼게요. Let's go! 삼겹살 is here. 이게 갈매조개예요. 옆에 보이시는 거는 많이 보셨던 삼겹살이고 이 갈매조개는 이곳 낙동강 하구에서만 잡히는 정말 특이한 조개여서 진짜 맛있습니다. It tastes so good. It's super delicious. 갈매조개를 맛있는 잘 익은 이 삼겹살과 그리고 이 갈매조개를 해서 와 진짜 맛이 진짜 재밌어요. 와 너무 맛있어. 진짜 최고야. 조개만 먹어도 맛있어. 쫄깃쫄깃하고 We are here at this cafe named Paradise. I heard that it's really like a big sized cafe here. So since I'm here in Gangseo-gu area, I just want to, stop by and try it out. It's actually about 15 minutes away from the museum that we visited earlier. So if you guys have a car, it's definitely more convenient for you guys to just come and stop by. So let's go. Wow, they've got all these delicious desserts in this cafe. I think you guys will definitely gonna love this place. Alright, how did you guys like the Gangseogu tour with me today? We actually visited a lot of different places like museum and delicious restaurant and also the cafe that we just visited now. I mean, from my perspective, there are a lot of things to actually see and attractions here in Gangseogu. If you guys have a chance, I think it's great for you to just come here with your loved ones. Hope you guys have a great day today, and I'll come back with the better content. So make sure to subscribe, like, and also set the alarm too. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!